Hey y'all, when it comes to saving money on groceries, sometimes you just have to think outside the box. Today I'm going to talk about how cleaning and organizing your fridge can help reduce your grocery budget. And then you and I, we are going to clean and organize our fridges together.
Oh, no.
Wait, you didn't think I was going to do this by myself, did you?
Oh, no.
You and I are a team, and we are going to do this together. Organizing your food does not have to be expensive. You can definitely get the job done using things you already have. Now, before I get into cleaning out the refrigerator, let's talk about storage bins and how they can help you save money at the grocery store. When your fridge is nice and organized, you can take better inventory, which will help with meal planning, which in turn will help reduce food waste. And you're also not buying duplicate items, spending money unnecessarily. Another plus to organizing your fridge is your family is not constantly asking you,
have you seen the barbecue sauce?
Yeah, like that. When your fridge is nice and organized, they can go right to what they need. Now, the way your fridge is set up will determine how you organize your food. My fridge is a side-by-side, and it does not have that much space at all, and that's what I hate about this refrigerator. It does not have enough space. So when I'm organizing, I have to keep that in mind. I have to come up with a system that will work with my small space. Now, when it comes to organizational bins, Burlington is my go-to store. I don't know if y'all shop at Burlington, but they have a lot of organizational bins for under $5. And you can get some good quality organizational bins. I can show you better than I can tell you. Let's head over to Burlington. Y'all, I went into Burlington on a mission and I got just what I needed to completely organize my fridge. I already had organizational bins. I just wanted to get a few more because I've been juicing a lot lately and needed more for my fruits and veggies. I also wanted to get rid of that red Dollar Tree basket that I kept my meat in. Having clear bins allows me to quickly see what I'm running low on. That way I'm not spending extra money buying food that I already have. Now, that red basket served its purpose. It was good to me for so many years, and now it can continue being good to me because I'm going to use it to organize my craft supplies. Now, this is the bin that will replace the red Dollar Tree one, and it was only $3.99. I've always kept my lunch meat, bacon, sausage, things like that in the red one, so I'm pretty excited to have all of my organizational bins matching. Y'all, I wanted to buy that whole produce crisper section because of all of the vegetables that I've been juicing lately. Washing them and storing them in the fridge is what's been saving me time when I juice. So I'm up to giving this a try so that I can see how well my fruits and veggies hold up in it. Currently, I'm using those glass jars, so let's see if my fruits and vegetables hold up better in this than it does those glass jars. Now that we've seen all of the organizational bins that are available to us, we can go ahead and get started with our organizational system. We are well on our way to saving money. I guess if you look at it like this, and you do decide to go out and buy organizational bins, you are going to spend some money up front, but think about the money you are going to save on the back end by not buying all of those duplicate items. Now, when you are cleaning and organizing your fridge, the goal is to organize in a way that makes sense to you and your family. Now, in my household, this is our organizational system. I keep the drinks on the top shelf. The next two shelves are for the eggs, fruits, vegetables that I'm going to juice, snacks, things like that. Leftovers, if we have leftovers, things like that. And then the bottom shelf is for the meat. And the two drawers below that is for the cheese, butter, fruits, and vegetables that I'm not juicing. So that's my organizational system, and it's been working for years for us. Before we start cleaning and organizing, let me give you a preview of how my refrigerator looks. It's pretty empty right now, and that's because we did a no spend challenge for 1 week. And whenever I go out of town on the weekends, I don't grocery shop until the following week. So we create meals with the food that we already have on hand. Once I finish cleaning and organizing this fridge, you can best believe I'm going to head out to the grocery store and stock up on groceries. I'm going old school and using Dawn Platinum Fresh Scent dishwashing liquid, y'all. It smells so good and will have your whole kitchen smelling fresh. It's time for me to get a new bottle because this one is almost empty. Not sure if this is ketchup or barbecue sauce, but y'all see how dirty these door bins are? I see a few smears here and there, but I just washed the top one, so I'm going to remove these and scrub them in the sink. I'm also going to clean the space that they were connected to while they are soaking in the dishwater. Let's move on to the fun part, and that's putting my refrigerator back together. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good.
This fridge is fridging, y'all. I'm continuing to use the organizational system that I mentioned earlier. I have the drinks on the top shelf. The only thing that I added was the grape snack packs. It's a no-brainer. If you're looking for a healthy snack, you can go right to it. Moving down to the next shelf, I have my juice, Frigo cheese snacks, and some eggs. I have some space between the juice and cheese, so I'm thinking about putting water right there. The next shelf is for snacks and vegetables that I have to prepare for juicing or salads. Y'all know my OCD was triggered with the Chobani flip bin. I wanted them to lay perfectly flat, but because of how they are shaped, they couldn't. The bottom shelf is for my meat. The turkey, beef, and chicken will not be here long because I'm going to meal prep it for next week's dinner and place it in the freezer. Y'all see that shine back there? I can clearly see how much butter and cheese I have on hand with how I've organized it. I used to find myself, and y'all can confirm this with these grocery hauls, but I used to find myself buying more shredded cheese and butter than I needed. This is where I keep my avocados and lemons. I also have carrots that I may either juice or bake. I'm trying to do better about cooking more vegetables with our meals. When it came to organizing the refrigerator door, I put all of my salad dressings and various flavored mustards together. I also have my Taco Bell Chipotle sauce too. And the bin below that, I have all of my sauces and jellies. So now my son can go right to the barbecue sauce without my help. The bin below that, I have my various pickles and jalapenos. And the bottom bin, I keep the half and half and chicken stock. I also have my bacon fat in that container. I know the half and half should probably go on the top shelf with the drinks, but it's more convenient for us to keep it in the door. Moving on to the freezer side, I use the clear bins to organize my fruits and veggies. In addition to juicing, I'm still making smoothies. Moving down to the next shelf, I have more frozen fruit and veggies, and to the right of that, I have chocolate covered popsicles for the kids. The next shelf is for food that I have meal prepped for the week. Things like pre-cooked meat, rice, spaghetti, you know, the usual. But this saves so much time during the week when I'm cooking dinner. The bottom bin is for those chicken fries that I get at Aldi. I also have some smoked turkey necks and pork chops in there. In the freezer door, I have the box of my mochi ice cream. Have y'all tried these? To me, it tastes like a mouthful of dough and ice cream, but my kids saw somebody on YouTube tried this and they wanted it, so I got it for them. Their favorite flavor is the cookie one. In the next bin, I have my keto ice cream. Now, I'm not on keto. I just wanted to find something with lower calories. I also have the frozen rotisserie chicken from Costco. Y'all, I love how my refrigerator turned out. I love it. I think this system is going to work. I really believe this system is going to work for me. I'm not going to be spending money on duplicate items. I'm going to be able to find everything I need. The trick is going to be getting everybody to put things back where they find it. Now, that's going to be the trick to keeping this organizational system going. Remember, when it comes to saving money, you have to think outside the box. I hope I was able to motivate you to get in your refrigerator and clean and organize and get a whole system put together for you and your family. If you want to know how I'm saving money at the grocery store, go ahead and click that video on the screen. Bye, y'all.